Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to save Google Docs files as PDF. First of all, you can open the Google Docs. I can already open. After opening the Google Docs, you can just simply select the file that you want to convert Google Docs file to PDF. I can select this file, and after selecting the profile, you can just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option share and export in the last. Tap on it, and after this you can now tap on send a copy, and here you can just simply choose format. You can choose PDF, or you can now tap on OK, and after preparing the PDF you can save to files in your device, and it is a way you can save Google Docs files as PDF in your device. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.